Good day, I am Buya, a Mongolian girl living the Aussie life. Welcome to my vlog, a cozy little space to share my everyday adventures. Don't forget to subscribe and join me on this journey. Just getting my hair sorted for the gym today, I'm stepping a little out of my comfort zone to start proper gym workouts. And it feels like the perfect time since I'm starting my YouTube channel too. And filling up before the workout, making my protein shake. Do some kiwi, banana, fresh spinach, a little creatine, protein powder, pepitas, and chia seeds. Spinach is packed with magnesium, which helps the muscles recover faster, so I try to include a handful of spinach to my every shakes. And a perfect green boost, ready to grab and go to the gym. Let's get this workout started.
Some information about some Okay, right, let's get to the fun bit now.
Okay, yeah.
So, have you played this game before?
No.
No? That's so good. Basically, it's very easy. All you have to do is guess if the next card is going to be higher or lower than the one before.
Okay.
Okay? So, with the jack, do you think this one's going to be higher or lower?
I guess it's below.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, what are you thinking now?
So next one will be
Either
from
more or less
from
than
this
that
one, right? Okay, more.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
It's going to be more or less than that one.
Yeah, that's the more.
No? Oh no! That's okay. But I'll still get some information sent to you about PT as well.
Oh, good. Thank you.
Very good. Have a good session.
Yeah,
Thank you
thank
for
you.
playing.
I used to do a reformer Pilates before. Now doing a gym and starting new routines always feels a little scary. But small steps create big changes, right? New beginnings, new energy. Let's see where this journey takes me. Later today had something special event. It's a multicultural day at my university.
Oida, let's go! Oida from Mongolia, everyone! No, actually, could you please come back here for a second? I just have to ask about your outfit. What is it called? Or just a daily special occasion. What kind of special occasion? Our traditional holidays. Thank you for that.
I'm wearing my Mongolian traditional dress called a dell. It's more than just clothing, it's a piece of our heritage. And every country was shining. So much color, dance, and beauty everywhere. And that's amazing.
On stage! Alright, so we've got the best dressed female, and we've got Buyahan from Mongolia. Please come on up on stage. Best walk.
I hit the stage feeling so proud to represent Mongolia. And today I get to share it with the world.
Does anyone here know what it means? Hakuna Matata? No worries! Yeah, so Hakuna Matata. Okay, can we try that saying Hakuna Matata? Hakuna beauty. So this is traditional African wear. It is inspired by the Kenyan Kisii accent. Most important thing to remember is in our cultural diversity, we can still all exist together and do well together. And I think that is what JCL is about. Bringing everyone on board and seeing everyone be at their best. Asante sana. Hakuna.
After the event, I went out with two of my sweet Bhutanese friends for some Brisbane City adventures.
3, 2, 1.
And coming to the Brisbane City Hall, it's one of the oldest and most iconic buildings in Brisbane City with a beautiful old architecture. And of course, it's perfect for a quick photo shoot. We also explored the Museum of Brisbane inside the Brisbane City Hall. The museum highlights Brisbane's local artists' history and even future dreams.
The 3, 2, 1, go!
Today was full of memories, smiles, and new beginnings. Thanks for coming along with me. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next vlog and even with more adventures to share. Bye for now!